when I say taxonomy, it's the inconsistency in the taxonomy, right? Again, your teams are working in silos. They have a habit of either putting together a taxonomy which is not consistent across the teams, or they would end up creating something which has no taxonomy at all, right? There were a lot of legacy softwares which were not really allowing you to do the right tagging on your content, right? And that creates another problem, that there is some content which has absolutely no tagging, right? And how do you make it findable, right? How do you make it easy for the end customer to actually find that content if there's no tagging, right? Again, if you use the right cognitive technology, it'll be able to actually help you scan all your knowledge repositories, right? And it'll be able to build a universal taxonomy on top of your content. What you can do using that taxonomy is that you can either generate a facet for your content, or you can generate the navigation on your help centers, right? Using that universal taxonomy, which will help your end customer to actually find out the content, right? 3 simple things if a cognitive technology is able to do. A, it should be able to learn what is available already in the public domain, right? It should be able to read the industry-specific taxonomy, right? If your software, if your product is actually a healthcare product, right? I'm sure there's a lot of taxonomy or dictionaries available regarding the healthcare in the public domain, right? So the cognitive tech should be able to learn from that, number 1. Number 2, let's just look at the user language, right? It doesn't matter how you're producing the content, right? User has always a different way to ask the question, right? So just look at the description of the cases, right? Look at the searches the user is performing, right? That will actually help you to identify, learn the taxonomy dictionary via user-specific language as well. Third, not the least, is that all your teams can sit together and come up with a universally agreed taxonomy, right? And then what you need to do is to just upload that taxonomy to your cognitive engine. And now when it is ingesting all the content, at that time it can detect if there are any gaps in taxonomy of the incoming content versus what you see as part of the universally agreed taxonomy, right? So these are the simple 3 things. If they are part of any cognitive technology, they are actually going to help you with that, right?